Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I install this 10-inch toffee colored umbrella shaped lace front water wave Bohemian lob wig. Wow, I'll say that 3 times fast. From Gorgius. Brown hair has been so on trend lately, at least for me. Make sure to stay tuned for all the deets on how I make this wig look like scalp. Let's get right into this. In the package, I received 2 really cute scarves, a wig cap, earrings, a wig band, bobby pins, an edge brush, hair clips, and a pair of tweezers. Here is the wig. It came lightly bleached, but I did go back in and bleach it some more. There is lace from ear to ear, which makes it look super natural, especially if you go in and pluck some more. And here is me just showing you guys how much I plucked from the wig. And even after I installed it, I did pluck some more. There is a wig band inside as well as wig clips, which makes it super secured. For the bleaching part, I use quick glue and 40 developer. You want to make sure to mix it to a consistency that's thick but not runny. When you put it on the lace, you want to press the bleach into the lace enough to where it kind of seeps into it. That way you're bleaching the entire knot and not just like the bottom of the knot. If you end up getting bleach anywhere that you did not mean to, I usually just spray it with water and then wipe it off with my hand. I usually have a glove on if I am going to do it with my hand, or a paper towel. And I kept the bleach on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I just made sure to check on it about every 5 minutes. For the install, you want to make sure to push those edges back and out of the way. I just started using Edge Booster for this, and I honestly like it a lot better than holding spray or gel. And I mentioned this before in other videos. I feel like it's a lot safer on your edges, but that's just me. For the wig cap, I used some super sheer tights from the beauty supply store. They were like $2. It was a little on the tighter side because I was at the end of the tights, and obviously that's the smaller end of the tights. But eventually, after some stretching, I got it to fit. Once I have it on, I'm going in with my TIGI bedhead holding spray and drying that down with my blow dryer, then cutting off the excess material. I always put my wig on before gluing it down just to see if where I cut the material, I want to make sure that that's, matches up to where the lace on the wig is going to be. I don't know how many times I've installed my wigs without realizing the cap is too far down. And I know a lot of people mark where it should be, but I just never got into the habit of doing that. I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol to clean up the edges. Then I'm going in with my skin protectant and putting that all around the edges, but not on the cap or it will start lifting like it did in some of the spots. To tint the lace, I'm using foundation that's a shade darker than my actual color, and I'm putting that on both the cap and the lace on the wig. It really does make a difference before and after you put your makeup on, if you couldn't tell. Now for my holy grail, my pinking shears. This is what is going to make that wig look glueless and effortless and blend like it is your scalp, honey, okay? I got these off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And honestly, guys, it truly makes cutting the lace a breeze. I don't like cutting the excess lace while the wig is glued down because I just don't ever cut close enough to the hairline, and then if you glue too much, then you're peeling the glue up and it just makes a mess and it's just not cute. And I always manage to cut myself somehow, some way. So this way is just so easy. I cut it really close to the hairline, obviously because I can see it in my hands, and it's amazing, y'all. I can't vouch for this enough. I'm using 2 layers of the Erica J watermelon lace glue to melt the lace. Once the first layer dries clear, then I go in with the second layer. Make sure to clean off your rat tail comb with any excess glue before you smooth out that second layer, or it may get stuck and then mess up the glue that you already have down, and then the install is just downhill from there, I'm telling y'all. Once everything is glued down, make sure you go back to check to see if the lace is lifting in any places. And I usually just run my fingers across or try to pick it up. And if it does come up, then I use a little bit of glue on my rat tail comb and lightly put it under those spots. To make it even more secure, I'm going in with the Even adhesive spray and tying the lace down with an elastic band. Baby hairs do make the lace stay in place a bit better, but I just knew this wig would look good without them. And y'all saw in the beginning, it definitely does. Now, you don't want to forget the hot comb around the parting. It's going to make the wig look super flat even after you re-wet it. I did go to sleep after I installed this, so I put some spritz on the front as well, and then put the wig band back on so it could be super melted when I woke back up. I also went back in with my tweezers just to thin out the front a little bit more. I felt like it was giving not the hairline that I was envisioning for myself. After I wet it, I'm going to dry it with my diffuser for about 1 to 2 minutes. I don't want it completely dry because I want to use some of my Garnier Fructis Moroccan Sleek Oil treatment so that it doesn't get frizzy when I get it completely dry, which it did the first time around when I first blow dried it. I got sent 2 caps. I mean, not 2 caps, 2 bands. So I'm gonna use this one. This one's really cute. This one's definitely giving that boho vibe. So let's do a couple of hairstyles and see what it's giving, okay? Before we even get into that, let's take this this band off because I know she about to leave a line. She a little tight. Oof, oof, oof. God. All right, definitely need to put some makeup there. The final tweaking, of course, I tweeze it a little bit, and then I'm going in with my Merit Beauty foundation stick on the part to make it look super crisp and neat. I don't know about y'all, but I'm just envisioning this with a super slick back wet look. I didn't do it in this video, but I may try to do this in another video. Let me know if y'all want to see that, because I just feel like this would look so cute like that. Now, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was a little bit skeptical on how this was going to look because I usually don't install short wigs just because my head is so big. Short wigs just don't look good on me. But I was pleasantly surprised at how good this wig was looking. The parting, since the parting was already umbrella shaped versus it being straight, it just gives a more realistic look, and it forces you to actually have that curve that I feel like people try so hard to get but can't really get sometimes. So I like that part about it. All right, y'all, so that is going to be it for this video. I absolutely love this wig. At first, earlier in the day, I wore this to work and I was like, this is giving grown but not sexy. And now that I got my makeup on, not that my makeup makes a difference, but I tussled it a little bit. Me and my curls was tussling. I sprayed a little water on her. She's feeling revived. I feel like the bigger you make this hair, the more natural, and to me it makes me feel like this is my real hair. And not to say oh, I laid my wig, this is my real hair. No, this could actually be my hair. People at work was like, oh my god, you cut your hair, you colored your hair. Oh my god. I was like, first of all, fuck you, because you know my hair not even this color. But I was like, I'm gonna take the compliment. They were like, did you cut it short? Yes, I did. I cut it short. Yeah, I cut it short. But yeah, I absolutely love this wig. Y'all don't walk, run and get this wig. This is y'all know when I start playing in my hair, that's what it means. That's when you know I love this wig and I love this wig down, okay? Make sure to comment down below, are we feeling this wig? I don't know if y'all have been watching my videos lately, but I really love me in brown, and I'm this close to telling my hairstylist I want to dye my hair this color. Like, all these browns is making me want to go brown. I'm gonna leave my coupon code down here for you guys so you get some money off. Like, this wig not expensive, but you know, any coin we could save is wanted and warranted, okay? Make sure to go ahead, click the link. The link to this wig is gonna be down below. Use my coupon code. Run up this wig because she is cute. She is like an everyday wig, and I love me an everyday wig. It's so cute. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you see. And I mean, come on. Come on now. How could you not? Share this video with your friends, anybody that wants a good, affordable wig. She is cute, okay? She's giving the girls everything, and I'm loving that she's ear to ear, and this is the best ear to ear situation that I have done in a while. Y'all seen it? She could be glueless, to be for real, honestly, but we're not doing that today because we're going out in this windy outside. I won't got time. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.